is a quick walkthrough of a translation services proposal as provided by Argo Translation. One of the things that separates us in our industry is the level of transparency we provide, and I think you'll see that's evident in this sample proposal that I'm showing you. Our goal really is to arm our clients with the best possible information so they can really make the best decision on how they buy translation. So let's jump right in. So obviously we'll have a summary on the first page, and then what we do here is we have a very detailed project description. What you'll see is a full description of what we intend to do with the assignment, but then we also list all the steps. So for this example, you'll notice we talk about the project management, translation, independent editing, quality assurance, and if there were a functional review, you'd also see that here. In other words, we're going to list all the various steps that are provided with each and every project. From there, we move on to a breakdown. This is really important because one of the largest components of cost savings with translation is the translation memory database. So we feel it's very important to show those savings to our clients. So we do that in a couple different ways. We give you a full breakdown of your words by language. So here you'll see the total words, the repetitions, how many 100% matches, fuzzy matches, and context matches. And then we actually will line that up with cost savings by US dollar. So in other words, what you'll see here is you'll see a gross cost, then you'll see the dollar savings that come from the repetitions, as well as if there were any savings relative to 100% fuzzy matches or context matches. And then we show you a net cost. And we also summarize the information by giving you a net cost per word. Next, we'll also show you a little breakdown or a pie chart that shows how much is the net cost and how much are deductions that are related to that translation memory match. Finally, we wrap it up with a project budget. This is really the summary sheet, and it will just be a quick look if, in case you have to provide the information to a manager or someone who doesn't really want the detail, you can just use this page. I hope you found this information helpful. If you would like to learn more about translation memory or how we price projects here at Argo Translation, please feel free to visit our website at www.argotrans.com or contact your project manager or account manager. Thank you.